आप देख रहे हैं मिड कैप मंत्रा CNBC आवाज पर और अब फोकस करेंगे ब्लू स्टार पर। कंपनी के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर वी त्यागराजन हमारे साथ मौजूद है और उनसे जानेंगे कि बजट पर कंज्यूमर अप्लायंसेज इंडस्ट्री क्या कहती है। मिस्टर त्यागराजन, शुक्रिया CNBC आवाज के लिए समय निकालने के लिए। मुझे याद है आपने बजट से पहले कहा था कि आप उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि सेनवैट पर एग्जेम्पशन मिले, उस पर बिल्कुल चर्चा ही नहीं हुई है। क्या बड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है ये?
Good afternoon. Thank you for talking to me. On the whole, I would say we are very happy with the budget, the approach it has taken, or the pillars on which it has been drafted. We feel the FDI being allowed in processed food marketing will be of immense benefit to Blue Star, because it is going to be driving the processed food in commercial refrigeration, cold chain equipment, deep freezer. We have a very strong presence. We are the market leaders. We have been advocating for the market growth. That is point number one. Point number two is, if the rural agriculture sector or the infrastructure investments will make more and more people to participate in the economy, which means the consumer durable sector like the room air conditioners should also benefit. As you are aware, more than 57% of our business comes from tier 3, 4, 5 markets. Therefore, this market will be very buoyant and going to do very well. Our disappointment is with regard to
housing पर I'm going to come back to the disappointment part, but आपने जो कहा कि tier 3, 4 में आपका सबसे बड़ा मार्केट है, जो हाउसिंग को लेकर सरकार ने बड़े ऐलान किया है, यहाँ पर लो कॉस्ट हाउसिंग बढ़ती हुई दिखाई देगी, उससे भी आपको क्या उम्मीद है कि आपके अप्लायंसेस की डिमांड बढ़ेगी? किस तरह का रोड मैप आप फिर तैयार कर रहे हैं इस बड़ी डिमांड को एड्रेस करने के लिए?
I am not very sure about low cost housing. These are first time house occupiers. I think in their scheme of things, I do not think air conditioner will come as a priority. But tier 3, 4, 5 markets have got enough people who have already a refrigerator, color television, two-wheeler, four-wheeler. And our study shows there are a very large number of population have all these in their possession. They are waiting for air conditioner, because in India, unfortunately, refrigerator is bought after after the color television. Similarly, air conditioner is bought after a four-wheeler. So there is substantial amount of population. Our own projection is CAGR of 15% will happen in air conditioner sector.
Okay. इस पॉइंट पर आए कि डिसअपॉइंटमेंट कहां पर है? सेनवैट में कोई कटौती नहीं हुई है या फिर उस पर एग्जेम्पशन नहीं मिला है, वो आपका क्या बड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है?
So there was a requirement for quite some years now, fourth year in succession. We have been saying 5-star and inverter air conditioners as a total of the pie. Like for example, if 100 air conditioners are sold, only 35 air conditioners are 5-star and inverter air conditioners. Why people do not buy 5-star and inverter air conditioners? Because initial cost is high. So it is in government's own interest to exempt Senvat from these two product categories, so that the market will grow, the power consumption will be lower, and therefore government need not set up power plants or invest in this transmission and distribution. So we have been advocating, and the Ministry of Power has been advocating, Bureau of Energy Efficiency have been asking, and we were told even when Mr. Pranab Mukherjee was the Finance Minister that let GST come, we will look at it, but eventually it is not happening. This has been a constant requirement from the industry.
करना पड़ेगा इस तरह के कदम आने का, फिलहाल इस बारी बजट में वो नहीं हुआ है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे लिए समय निकालने के लिए मिस्टर त्यागराजन। ब्लू स्टार हालांकि उम्मीद कर रहा है कि FDI एंड फूड प्रोसेसिंग से इनके लिए डिमांड जो है बढ़ती हुई दिखाई देगी, क्योंकि लार्ज मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं रेफ्रिजरेटर्स के। हम लेंगे इसी के साथ एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, लेकिन आगे आपको बताएंगे आज का तत्काल ट्रेड। बने रहिए।